Are you interested in hypnosis and magic? Discover the secret origins of hypnosis and magic in our free 90-minute online workshop on the magical history of hypnosis. Dive into the magical and spiritual side of hypnosis and the hypnotic side of magic. Fill in the registration form for the free webinar now. You will find the link in the description text. In May 2024, you will also have the special opportunity to take part in a practical workshop on the secret formulas and techniques of trance work from the Western mysteries. The British Grandmaster of Magic, Walter Ernest Butler, writes, "In hypnosis we find that once the barrier or threshold is broken and the subconscious levels above can emerge, any images shown at that time have a direct effect on the dynamics of the personality. Far from being an irrational superstition, magic, as we shall see, is based on profound psychological laws and has its own special technique. Based on ancient Kabbalistic wisdom and insights into the human soul, combined with modern insights into hypnosis and trance, we will explore the ancient ritual methods and their psychological implications, as well as the magical and occult perspective of hypnotic techniques. Learn the magical spiritual approach to hypnosis. Develop the knowledge and practice the ability to hypnotize others and yourself. Learn to understand and utilize the influence of the aura on the hypnotic process. Learn about the magical and hypnotic power of words and symbols. Understand the deep structure of ritual magic. Learn the effective magical and meditative use of path workings. Gain a deeper understanding of the human soul, and much more. A workshop unlike any other hypnosis training. Don't miss this unique experience. And as mentioned before, to prepare, we invite all interested viewers to our free online webinar on the magical history of hypnosis. Click on the link in the description to register now.